Hello and welcome back again to your channel. So hope you are studying, you have practiced the last first and second question. Okay, so today we are starting third question of exercise 4.3. So third question is find the roots of the following equation. The first part is x minus 1 upon x equals to 3 where x is not equals to 0. Okay, so इसका मतलब क्या है, इसके रूट्स निकालने हैं. We have to find the roots. Roots means x की वैल्यू निकालनी है. ठीक है, so now x is not equals to 0. इसका मतलब x का आंसर 0 नहीं आ सकता है, उसके अलावा कुछ भी आ सकता है. Okay, so let us first solve this. Make it simplified. So take the LCM x. 1 into x is x, so x into x, x square minus x one is x, so 1 equals to 3. So send it this side, so x square minus x equals to 3x. Bring it this side, we will get x square minus x minus 3x equals to 0. So x square minus 4x equals to 0. So we will have this, x square minus 1. This is minus 1. So x square minus 1, so this will become minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. So what we did in this, we took the LCM x, 1 into x is x. So we will multiply the numerator by x. So x 1 is x, so 1 is 1. Equals to 3, send it this side, this will become 3x, bring it this side, x square minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so this is our quadratic equation. You can see this is quadratic equation. Now what we will do, we will find the roots of this quadratic equation. Now simple thing we will use, we will do by quadratic formula. Okay, so now what we will do, first let me find the discriminant. Is it having real roots or imaginary roots, okay, or equal roots? So what we have, b square minus 4ac. b, what is b? Minus 3. Minus 3 square minus 4a into c minus 1. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, minus it will become positive because it is square, minus minus plus 4 1s are 4. 13 plus 13, that means we have value of discriminant is positive. That means it has two distinct real roots. Okay, so now therefore what is the value of x? Minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac को हम b भी लिख सकते हैं और b square minus 4ac भी लिख सकते हैं upon 2a equals to minus, what is b? b is minus 3. Minus 3 plus minus discriminant is 13 upon 2 into what is a? a we have 1. Okay, so that means what we have, value of x is plus 3 plus minus root of 13 upon 2. That means we have value of x are 2. So x is equals to 3 plus root 3, 13 upon 2, and second value is 3. Then we will take minus root 13 upon 2. So we have two values, these two. Now we will do the second part of the third question. It is clear to you? Please do practice. You will get the answer very easily. Okay. Now we will do the second part of this question. Second part is what we have? We have 1 upon x minus x plus 4. 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 equals to 11 upon 30. And we are given that x should not be minus 4 comma 7. ओके, तो इसका मतलब कि x की वैल्यू माइनस 4 भी नहीं आ सकती है और 7 भी नहीं आ सकती है. x कैन नॉट बी माइनस 4. x मीन्स रूट. माइनस 4 भी नहीं हो सकता, 7 भी नहीं, बाकी कुछ भी हो सकता है. ओके, सो लेट अस सॉल्व दिस. सो वी हैव 1 is this, 1 is this. What we'll do? LCM, because we will just find quadratic equation first. x minus 7. So we will have x plus 1, x plus 4 and x minus 7 as LCM. X plus 4 into x minus 7, we will get the whole LCM. So x minus 7 will multiply up in the numerator minus x minus 7 से कितना multiply करेंगे कि पूरा आ जाए? x plus 4, तो ऊपर भी x plus 4 से. So we will get x plus 4 equals to 11 upon 30. Okay, solve this. So numerator we will solve. We'll get x minus 7 minus x minus 4 whole divided by x. Multiply it. Let me multiply it. Okay. X into x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 7 4s are 28 equals to 11 upon 30. So we'll get in numerator x to x cancel minus 11 and 30 will send this side into 30 equals to 11 is here and this will send this side x square. I am solving it also. Plus minus minus 3x minus 28. Okay, let me send 11 also in denominator because it is cancelling out. Okay, you can see if I send it here, it will cancel out. Yes, so what we will get, we are getting x square minus 3x minus 28 equals to minus 30. Minus 30 will bring this side, so we'll get x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 equals to 0. So x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. This quadratic equation we have. Now what we'll do, we'll find the discriminant. Okay, b. While we are finding discriminant, we can find it formula also, but it becomes easy, that's why. b square minus 4ac. What is b? Minus 3 square minus 4 into a into c is plus 2. 9 minus 4 2s are 8. So discriminant is plus 1. Okay. Plus 1 means positive. So that means we will have two distinct real root. दो root आएंगे, दोनों अलग अलग होंगे. Okay. So now let us find the roots by quadratic formula because quadratic formula is easy to find. Okay. So where is our quadratic equation? This one. So now what is our quadratic formula? Minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. So now minus b. Minus what is b? Minus 3. Minus 3 plus minus root of b square minus 4ac discriminant value we have already get 1 divided by 2 into what is a? 1. So we have minus minus plus. So we'll get plus 3 plus minus square root of 1 is 1 divided by 2. So we have two values of x. What? First we'll take positive with it, then we'll take negative. First is 3 plus 1 upon 2 and the second value is 3 minus 1 upon 2. That means 4 upon 2, that means 2. 3 minus 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2, that means 1. So we have two values of x is 2 comma 1 here, and it is easy also. By seeing it is looking a little tough, but it is not tough. These are very easy. You have to find the quadratic equation very first. Okay. So now let us move to fourth question. Fourth question is, now these are word problems. Okay, but these are also very easy. If you just read them properly, so it will become very easy for you. You have to practice it. Maths is not tough. It is very easy. Okay. So as compared to 9th class, it is very easy. But what is the condition? You have to practice it. Question number 4. Okay. The sum of reciprocals of Rahman age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 upon 3. तो पहले हम रहमान की एज कंसीडर करेंगे. फाइंड हिज प्रेजेंट एज. लेट द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ रहमान इज x. ओके, सो we'll write let the present age of Rahman is equals to x. Up now what is given in the question? 3 years ago and 5 years from now. 3 years ago. Age of Rahman 3 years ago. Okay. Or you can write 3 years ago. The age of Rahman is 3 years ago. 3 साल पहले कितनी हो जाएगी? x में से 3 माइनस कर देंगे. And how much? 5 years from now. Age 5 years from now, अभी से 5 साल बाद कितनी हो जाएगी 5 years, x अभी है 5 years ये हो जाएगी, ठीक है. So 3 years ago and 5 years from now the age we already calculated. Now read the question. The sum of reciprocals of Rahman age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. इसके reciprocal, इन दोनों के reciprocal का sum, that means x minus 1/3 will write according to question. Sum of reciprocal of their ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Find their present age. This is the main thing that you should understand. Okay. So the sum of reciprocal. Reciprocal means 1/1. इनकी age का sum 1/3. ठीक है. So we have to find now Rahman's age. तो इसका वही same thing. LCM we will do x minus 3 and x plus 5 we will take. x minus 3 में कितना मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि ये पूरा हो जाए x plus 5, तो ऊपर x plus 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. एंड सेम वे प्लस x plus 5 में कितना मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे x minus 3, तो 1 into x minus 3 is 1/3. इसको कैलकुलेट कर लो, तो व्हाट इज x plus 5 plus x minus 3 और 3 को हम इधर भी सेंड कर देते हैं इक्वल्स टू, इसको इधर सेंड कर दो x minus 3 into x plus 5. ओके, नाउ वी विल सॉल्व इट. ये हो जाएगा 3 into 2x plus 2 equals to x square, अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करो, प्लस 5x minus 3x minus 15. फॉर्मूले से भी हो जाएगा, a plus b into a minus b वाले फॉर्मूले से भी कर सकते हो. ओके, यू कैन डू इट बाय प्लस माइनस माइनस. So that means 5x minus 3x is 2x. So I can write plus 2x also in this place of this. X square plus 2x minus 15. ठीक है, completely will solve it. So now here 3 2s are 6x plus 3 2s are 6 equals to x square plus 2x minus 15. Bring both of them this side. So we'll get x square plus, first I'm writing this side one, 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 equals to 0. Okay, now solve it. X square, we will get x square, this is x term, this is x term, that means plus minus minus, 6 minus 2 4, negative minus 4x. Okay, minus minus plus 21 equals to 0. Okay, so we have this. Now we will solve it using a quadratic formula. So we are getting, using quadratic formula, same we will do in this. Okay, solve it. X is equals to, directly I am writing minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That means minus b, what is b? Minus 4 plus minus root of b square. B is minus 4. Minus 4 square minus 4 into a. A is 1 into c is minus 21. Okay, this will become positive. Divided by 2 into what is a? A is 1. So 2 ones are 2. Okay. 4 plus minus root of 4 4s are 16 minus minus plus 21 4s are 4 and the 4 2s are 8. 84. Okay. Divided by 2. So what will get? Divided by 2. So 4 plus minus 0 carry over 1, 8, 9, 10, 100 divided by 2, that means x is equals to 4 plus minus 10 upon 2. So one time we will take plus 4, one time we will take minus 4. So therefore x is equals to 4 plus 10 upon 2 and second time we will take 4 minus 10 upon 2. 14 upon 2, that means 7, and this is minus 6 upon 2 minus 3. So one we are getting plus 7 and second we are getting minus 3. That means we have to find what? We have to find the age of Rahman. Can you tell me the age can be negative? No, age cannot be negative. So the age of Rahman will be plus 7. So we'll write because age cannot be negative, therefore present age of Rahman. Therefore present age of Rahman will be 7 years. Okay. तो इसका मतलब रहमान कितने साल का है अभी? 7 साल का है. Okay. So that means your fourth question you have done by using quadratic formula. Okay. So we have to use a quadratic formula because it is little easy for solving it. Because we cannot use, that means completing the square करेंगे तो because the numbers are very big तो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा completing the square. And that means splitting method also we can do. जहाँ पर हमें ठीक लगता है splitting method भी कर सकते हो, where you find easy, and if you find by quadratic formula you can find by quadratic formula. Okay. So today in this video we are doing till question number 4. Okay, third and fourth question. Now the next question we will do in next video. Okay, because the questions are little lengthy, take the time. So thank you very much for this. Please do like and share my video. Thank you very much. Keep on practicing. Bye bye.